If you're feeling defeated by this new TikTok algorithm, here's the game plan on how we're gonna break out. If you don't know me, I built this account in about 5 months to over 69,000. And I've accumulated about 8 million views, and here's how you can do the same. It all starts with your video's idea. And yeah, I know you've heard it a million times, but I'll get to more of that stuff later. But I do have a strategy that dives way beyond that, just getting these viral ideas down. And yes, you can blow up an account with just one singular video. But in the same breath, gaining tens of thousands of followers that don't care about what you're talking about is way more harmful than you think. Now, a lot of people think they should pick the idea that's gonna make them go the most viral, but that's a mistake. If you just pick the idea that's gonna get you the most views and followers, it has a big chance of damaging your account in the future. I know a lot of people went through that from 2020, 2021, and 2022. Now, if I uploaded a video about Deion Sanders on this account, it wouldn't likely do well because TikTok pushes those videos out to your followers first. And if it does well in terms of retention time and engagement, it gets pushed out to an even wider audience. So if I post that Deion Sanders video, a lot of people probably won't engage, the retention time will go down, and TikTok will stop showing our videos to other people and stop trusting us. And they'll think that it's bad, even though the content might actually be good. So with that being said, the first viral idea and concept that you have to come up with has to appeal to your audience first and a wider audience second. Now, my second viral video helped me gain over 15,000 followers, and that video was on TikTok SEO and categorization. Now, with idea research from me at the time, I saw that SEO appealed to not only my target audience, but a wide variety of creators that were wondering what was going on with the algorithm at the time. Now, this part of the video is gonna get good. This is where we talk about the game plan of how to use that viral video. Now, this is how I gained many followers and views after that viral video. Now, the first thing I did was post consistently. And the second thing I did was discuss SEO more frequently. But the most important part of the thing that I did while I was going viral was replied to comments with the video. And I replied with videos that contain both value and my offer. I continued to talk more about SEO, and I plugged the SEO playbook, which was perfect for people that were struggling with SEO. Now, not every video went viral right after I posted that, or even in the coming months. But what I did was build up a loyal follower base and returning viewers that ended up binging most of my content as soon as they saw the first video from me. Now, this is the recipe for keeping an engaged community without feeling like you have to hit a home run every single time you post. Now, even if you go ahead and implement this for your account, you'll still need to execute the binging your content part properly. And one of the ways that I continue to do this is through your CTA, or your call to action. Instead of wasting my call to action on follow for more every time, I prompt them to check my SEO playlist, go to the comments for part 2, and go ahead and watch this video next on my account. These call to actions are more effective for growth than just asking for a follow. And the final thing that you have to think about is your editing. My editing, for example, is at a medium pace because I understand that my audience is from the ages of 28 to 50. So if my account was geared toward an older audience, I would slow down my editing even more. Now, if I was going for somebody between the ages of 18 and 24, I would speed up my editing and be a little bit more engaging and a little faster and flashy with my editing. So given all the information at this point, what should we do? The first thing is to find topics that are for your target audience, but have a chance to become even wider in terms of reach, just like TikTok SEO and categorization did for me. The second thing I would do is take your time with scripting and filming and editing and pacing, and I would continue to do this until you hit that home run. And after you hit that home run, I would post several times a day, reply to comments with videos, and go ahead and give value and promote some of your offers in those videos. I would then rinse and repeat this process until the next time TikTok updates its algorithm.